Hi everybody, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. I hope you guys are doing great. So first of all, I want to thank each one of you for 10,000 subscribers, right? That is a big achievement for all of us. It's a small step towards bigger goals. So thank you so much for all the support that you have shown to us, and also the appreciation that we are receiving for the Telegram live commentary is insane. So thank you so much again. And now, without wasting much time, let us get started with our understanding of the market. And in today's video, right, we are going to focus only on Bank Nifty. Why Bank Nifty? Because there is so much that you can learn from the next 5 to 6 minutes that you are going to thank me, and you're going to save this video forever. Because price behavior remains same, but emotions don't. So let us get started and have a look at today's Bank Nifty chart and also the last 3 days price action. And all of it was obviously mentioned on the Telegram as well. So if you're not a part of the Telegram channel, make sure you join it. The link for the same is in the bio. So with that note, let us get started, guys. So guys, this is the chart of Bank Nifty on a 5 minutes time frame. Now, what can you learn from here? First thing first. First, have a look at the range of the first 1 hour. It was a very big range, right? Now, when the range is big, you don't expect a breakout or a breakdown, but you want to play what? The reversals and the scalps. Correct. So it was a range of almost 1%. Now, if you see from this point, the market made a new low, and then we had a rejection at the day high. Can you see over here? And then there was a superb fall. Now, all of this was shared live on Telegram, right? So make sure that you join the link in the description and be a part of the Telegram community. Now, let's go to Monday. Now, if you see on Monday, I did not advise anyone, right, to go long over here, over here, over here. Why? Because if you see, the market was forming a range, right? It was forming a smaller range. Now, when the market is forming a smaller range, you look for breakouts or breakdowns. Over here, if you see, the price action was showing some bullishness, but I was very clear to the learners as well that today we are going to look only and only for selling opportunity. And a lot of people benefited from it because they didn't go long over here or to any other places, right? Now that was Monday, and right, there was a breakdown also, and like I was saying that it's easier to trade with the trend. Come today, where our analysis actually did not do that well. Let's talk about it in detail. Right. So first thing first, today when the market opened, right, it opened exactly at the CPR, it took rejection, and from the day high, this was the day high. Can you see over here? This was the day high. From day high, the market made a new low. So our view was very clear that we want to short when the market comes over here and gives a rejection. Now you should have another question. Why not to trade the previous day low breakout or when the market is forming lower low? Remember one thing, yesterday was a big trending day. Can you see over here? It was a one-sided trending day. Now markets do not move like a lift. Okay, it is going to be choppy to sideways the next day, right? And that was one reason that we did not look for any shorting opportunity. What we were looking for was either you scalp it around near day's low or day high, right? You are going to short at day high, or you're going to short at, go long at day low, right? So the plan was to scalp it when you're going against the trend, which is the major trend was downtrend. So if you're buying at the day low, the intention should be to scalp it, right? And if you're going with the trend, the plan was to short at days high. Now, all of this was discussed on the Telegram channel as well. If you see over here, I had shared this image, CPR plus day high. If the market reverses back to day high, we may get a low risk, high reward entry. But what happens? Market does come to day high, but there is no rejection. The market straight away breaks the day high. And it was also a high probable trade because there was CPR above it, right? So if you're getting CPR plus day high, it's always a strong sign of reversal. For example, over here, we shorted because there was a CPR right above it. So remember one thing, the location plays an important role in all the setups, because these locations, they make sure that you trade less but good. What happens? The market does not show a rejection over here. And then we have one setup which we discussed on the Friday as well, that here what we did on Friday, I'll just take you through the trade because there I had also mentioned about the stop loss as well. Correct. So let's go back to that day. Perfect. So here we are. Now, this was probably the day, right? For example, I had shared this at 10:58. So if you're still not a part of the Telegram channel, make sure you join the link in the description. Over here, I had given that market is forming a base, right? And also, I had also given a stop loss at 37,462. Below that is our stop loss. Now, we executed the trade. I also shared the live position and all of that. Now, come today, if you see today's price action as well, what happened today? What did the market do? The market formed a base, right? It formed a base, gave a breakout, and day high was the target. That was our target. Let's go back over here. Even for this day, right? If you go to the Telegram channel as well, this was the target. Book profits, current day high, and CPR likely to act as resistance. This was the planning. And from there, the market makes a new day low, right? Market falls sharply, as you can see over here. So this particular planning, it worked very well on Friday. Come today, what happens? Market gives a base formation. It gave it the other day, right? If you see today as well, we get a base formation. You see a good W pattern in formation. And then the plan was to just get done and book it day high because the global markets were weak and overall the trend of the market is weak, right? So when the market trend is weak, you look for such opportunities, right? Now it breaks the day high and then again goes on to give another 1060 points. Now the point is how to avoid feeling bad. Now obviously even I felt bad because same trade was taken by me as well, and then if you're not able to grab these big points, you're always going to feel bad, right? But that's how the markets are. You see similar price action when it comes to the entry on Friday as well as Tuesday, but the exit worked out very well for that particular day. The exit plan to exit at day high, इसने यहाँ पे काम नहीं किया, इसने आज काम नहीं किया. The point is, in trading, nothing is going to work all the time. Today, even though we were right, our strategy worked, but our exit strategy, you can say it failed, right? And once it gave a, for example, if you see, I also shared an audio note update over here that the market has now, broken the day high. This was one of the audio note at what, at 12:46, right? When the market broke out a day high, and look at the good consolidation. Now the point is that during such scenarios, the probability is very high because it broke the CPR along with some consolidation. Even Nifty was trading above the CPR, but to go against your trading plan did not feel comfortable, and to go against the trading plan does not give you comfort. So my advice was not to take any further trades, and that did not work out well because market gave huge upside momentum of 1000 points. Now obviously as a trader, as a momentum trader, you feel bad about it. You have to digest it. It takes time. It's going to take a few hours for you to digest a missed profit, because trust me, missing profits hurts more than taking a stop loss. But that is how the market behaves. You have to learn to digest losses as well as missed profits, right? So yeah, and even big gains, right? So if you become overconfident about catching a big trend, even that is not good. So yeah, today was an emotional day overall for me as well as a trader. Not because the market went against my understanding. Market went against my understanding by a huge margin, like 1000 points. Come on, that is huge. Those are the kind of trades which I usually grab, and that is the kind of trade that I missed today. So yeah, that is it for today. Today's end of the day market analysis. But if you ask me, what is the plan for tomorrow? Now suddenly our view has changed after today's bullish momentum, because what has happened is that all the sellers over here, they are trapped. The buyers have been able to beat the sellers, and yes, we are trading above most of the crucial resistances as well. It took support exactly from this particular swing low. So yeah, now we are bullish in the markets. So we will look for more opportunities on the buying side than sell side, unless the market gives us some sign of weakness. I always say we have to follow the price. If today market tells us I am bullish, we turn bullish. If the market tells us bearish, we be bearish, and that's what we did today, right? And that's how the markets are. You cannot do much about it. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yes, let us know in the comment section if you missed today's rally, and yeah, how can we improve more on this particular thing. So with that note, guys, thank you so much, and thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And well, no stocks for today. The markets are volatile, so let us let the market you know, take a pause, right? And then we can take a further decision. With that note, today's end of the day analysis comes to an end. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comment section what are your expectations going ahead for us as we have reached 10K. So with that note, guys, again, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.